In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Site Can Ask automatically download multiple files in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu there. Click that menu to open the browser options. From the menu, select Settings. On the left side of the Settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. After that, select Site Settings. Scroll down until you see Additional Permissions. Then click on it to expand more permission options. Next, find and select Automatic Downloads. Once you open it, choose the option that says Sites Can Ask to automatically download multiple files. After you select that option, the setting is enabled. From that point on, when a website wants to download multiple files, Chrome can ask for your permission instead of stopping the action right away. This can be especially helpful for websites that provide reports, images, forms, or group downloads. If you ever want to change this later, you can return to the same automatic download section and adjust the setting again. It is a good idea to allow this only when you are using websites you recognize and trust, since multiple file downloads can sometimes be unexpected on unfamiliar sites. And that is all there is to it.